This is Paul. Yeah. Oh. The court can proceed with the hearing if respondent is present or if there is proof. Yeah. hmm that respondent was served at least 5 judicial days prior to the full hearing. Yeah. Now, that really goes for the renewing of the hearings too. Yeah. A little different. Well, a little different jurisdiction. Subject matter is very similar. Yeah. Because at that hearing, yeah, the respondent can prove by the preponderance of the evidence, yeah, that they won't resume any acts of domestic violence. Right. At this hearing, the respondent's trying to prove whether or not they deserve to have a protection order issued against them for the initial accusation of domestic violence, child abuse, and assault. See, there's, well, it's similar subject matter, but really it's this first accusation. Yeah. Now, the ex parte court hearing on July 8th of 2011. Did you realize I wasn't in the state of Washington, that I was in jail? Yeah. Hmm? And then when you renewed it 2 weeks later? Yeah. Did you know I wasn't here? Yeah. And that my wife didn't serve me? Yeah. And then when you issued it, Judge Ken Williams? Yeah. On August 12th of 2011. Yeah. Did you know that I wasn't a resident of the state of Washington? I was actually in the custody of the Superior Court. Yeah. Now, the court cannot continue with the hearing if there's no proof of timely service on the respondent. Yeah. Now, in that situation, you may obtain a reissuance of a temporary order and attempt to have the respondent served. Yeah. Now, the order for protection or reissued temporary order must be filed with the clerk. Now, unless respondent was at the hearing and received a copy of the order, a packet containing the order for protection, yeah, or the reissued temporary order and the protection for the petition for the order for protection, yeah, forwarded to respondent's law enforcement agency, yeah. See, at the ex parte hearing, yeah, it's the new accusation, right? At the renewal, right now, at the renewal hearings. It's the accusation that the respondent is going to continue to commit acts of domestic violence. Yeah. Now, one is ex parte. Yeah. You get to have that first one on July 8th of 2011. The second is on May 31st of 2012. Yeah. You can't actually obligate the respondent to appear in court for the false accusation of violating a restraining order without the verdict of guilt, yeah, from the jury. Now, let's see here. Ooch, is there something you don't understand? Now, somebody has intentionally been obstructing all my emails this whole time. Yes. And they've been using different means of being able to do that. Yeah. Top secret hearing. Yeah. /bills. Ouch. Notice the space right there? Yeah. This is somebody going through my emails. Yeah. And intentionally obstructing. Yeah. Me from being able to communicate. Yeah. With those that are legally obligated. Yeah. Professionally obligated. Yeah. Those that have a private right tort liability. Yeah. For any knowledge of the harm, damage, or emotional distress that is caused right now by anything in an email being obstructed from communicating what is meant. Yeah. In the actual email itself. Yeah. Now, let's say Senator Taylor, right now, decided to employ large numbers of individuals with the intention of obstructing what was being communicated. Yeah. Wayne Condit, Laurel Ann Argyle. Yeah. Maybe even right now, private tort, personal wrongs. Now, every time that anything has been changed in any email, there's this liability for the knowledge of the obstruction of what was being communicated. Yeah. Now, personal tort liability. Now, I want the protection order removed. Yeah. And the dissolution of marriage. Yeah. Removed. And my name removed. Yeah. From the docket in Jefferson County. Yes. Do you know where I was at right now? Right now. Now, please watch the videos. They explain the crime of injustice. Yeah. Violating the laws and why I sue those that refuse to enforce the actual laws. The United States Constitution. Now, let's look at it. True. For every slash of every email address. Yeah. For all the spaces. Yeah. In any link. Ouch. For all of the remote desktops. Yeah. We're going back to what is known as Tor. Yeah. Now, I'm trying to communicate that my rights are being violated. Yeah. And you, right now, are refusing to enforce the laws. Now, my own biological mother, yeah, is going to be questioned in deposition. Ouch! About any knowledge of paying anyone, yeah, to intentionally obstruct the laws of the United States. And for every cent, yeah, all the nickel and diming, ouch, for all the quarters that were thrown, I'm going to sue each and every one of you. Now, business law, municipal corporations, yeah, and it should be here, leases, fire insurance, oh my gosh, employer-employee, drunkenness, ouch. Now, as I remember it, conspiracy. When two or more persons agree to do the unlawful act of obstructing what I'm communicating, yeah, yeah, the agreement is called a conspiracy and is in itself a crime. Yeah. Now, for Uncle Wayne, Aunt Lori, and Sandra Taylor, you did think that you would make me look crazy. Right. Because of you paying all these dogs, yes, to commit all the crimes. Right. All these half-breeds, all the individuals that had to come to find out. Yeah. Now, exactly how many are in the conspiracy against the enforcement of the laws? If I looked at all of them, could be thousands, huh? Ouch. How many lookalikes did you make? How many times did you say you needed another one of yourself? Oh, now, let's look at it for just a second. Yeah. Well, it should be here. Yes. As I remember it, it was in here last night. Yes. Contract, citizenship. Yes. Well, I'm going to find it. Yeah. I'm going to find. Oh,